Welcome to our video on building T-sheet schedules for the OmniGolf Technology admin. Being able to build and maintain your T-sheet is a vital function for any golf facility. After this video, you will be able to build a single tee, double tee, and shotgun T-sheet schedule. Let's get started. To locate your T-sheet schedules, click on the Setup tab from the row of tabs that run across the top of the page. Next, immediately under the Setup tab, find the Courses option and click that link. This will bring up any 9-hole or 18-hole courses that have been built for your facility. In this particular demo facility, we have 3 separate 18-hole courses: the red course, the blue course, and the white course. To begin building a T-sheet schedule, click the T-sheet schedules button in the right-hand side of the row of your desired course. We're going to begin by building a single tee for the week of July 5th through July 11th. To open up the Edit menu, simply click anywhere in the column for the day you desire that T-sheet schedule to start. Since our example begins on July 5th, we will simply left-click on the mouse with the cursor inside the column for that day. Our first option to edit is the tee type. We will choose the single tee option and then move on to the tee time intervals. Here you can modify the desired tee time intervals for your tee sheet. For simplicity, we will leave our intervals at 10 minutes per tee time. Next, we can modify the size of the groups for each tee time if that is required. For this example, we will leave the group size at 4. After determining the group size, we need to give the schedule a name. This name should help you identify what type of setup you have built for that day. I will type in the words single tee. We can now modify the date, the starting time, and the ending time for our single tee. Since we chose July 5th when we clicked on the column, we do not need to modify the date. If we want our single tee to begin at 7 a.m., we must choose 7 a.m. from the drop-down box. To set our end time at 6 p.m., choose 6 p.m. from the end time drop-down box. Notice that once we choose our start and end times, the system will display to us the first and last tee times that will display on the tee sheet. It is important to note that your end time is not included as a tee time. So to make 6 p.m. the last tee time on the tee sheet, I can change 6 p.m. to 6:01 p.m. Then the last tee time will be modified to include 6 p.m. To prompt the system to make this single tee configuration extend beyond July 5th, click the Repeat checkbox. This will open up a new Edit menu that includes the start date, the end date, the days of the week, a sunrise and sunset option, and a max duration option. Below that is a description box. After I set the end date to July 11th, I'm ready to create the tee sheet schedule by clicking the Save button. Our single tee schedule has been built, and tee times can be accessed on the Tee Sheet tab within the OmniGolf admin. As we move on to our next example, notice the Switch To drop-down box in the top left-hand corner of the page. For those facilities with more than one course, you can use this drop-down box to navigate between your courses. After switching to the blue course, we will now build a double tee for July 5th through July 11th. Once again, we will begin by clicking in the column for July 5th. This time, instead of a single tee, we will choose the double tee from the tee type option. We will again go with 10-minute intervals. Notice now that we have a new option that has appeared called Tee Names. This drop-down box is filled with default tee name options already built within the admin. By choosing the double tee option, the system will program the tee sheet to display tee times for both hole number 1 and hole number 10. After we enter the name, the start and end times, we will once again click the repeat checkbox, giving us the ability to choose July 11th as our end date. We are now ready to create the double T by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. For our final example, we will once again use the Switch To drop-down box to navigate to our third course, the white course. After clicking in the column for July 5th, we will now choose the shotgun option from our list of T types. We will now be prompted to enter in the number of potential groups for our shotgun start. We will set up our T sheet for a maximum of 36 groups. In our list of T names, we can choose from a forward shotgun, a reverse shotgun, a forward double shotgun, and a reverse double shotgun. Depending on which option you choose, the system will pre-fill the box below with the holes 1 through 18 or vice versa. After choosing the forward double shotgun, we will enter a name. The start and end times, and the end date of July 11th. We are now ready to create the shotgun by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the page. This concludes our training video on building T-sheet schedules. You should now be equipped to create single T, double T, and shotgun T-sheet schedules within the OmniGolf Technology Admin.